Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add products to your Shopify store from AliExpress using a dropshipping tool called Deeses. This process will help you import products easily and manage orders effectively. Follow along to learn everything you need to know. Create a Deeses account, connect it to your Shopify store through the Shopify App Store, and select the free plan. Link your Deeses account to AliExpress by logging in or creating a new account. Go to AliExpress and search for the product you want to dropship. With the Deeses Chrome extension enabled, you'll see a new button on product pages labeled Add to Deeses. Before using this, click on the extension icon and adjust the settings. For example, you can set shipping preferences and the currency to match your target market. For this tutorial, we'll target the United States and use US dollars. Update the settings and refresh the page. Now click Add to Deeses on the product page. This will import the product into your Deeses dashboard. In the dashboard, go to the Import List section to see your imported products. Before pushing a product to your Shopify store, click Edit Product to make adjustments. Under Variants, you can select specific options such as colors or sizes to include. If you only want to sell certain variants, remove the others here. Next, review the product description. You can delete unnecessary details, but keep in mind you'll likely rewrite this later on Shopify. Check the Images tab to choose which product images to import. It's a good idea to select high-quality images that will look appealing on your store. Finally, confirm the product ships to your target country. For this example, type United States in the shipping info search bar to verify availability. Once everything is set, click Save and then push to Shopify. Be sure to check Publish to Online Store before completing the process. Now, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Products, and you'll see the new product listed in your store. This method allows you to start testing products quickly. While shipping times from AliExpress can be long, you can always switch to faster suppliers like CJ Dropshipping or Spocket later. Focus on testing the market first, and if the product performs well, invest time in optimizing the supply chain. That's all for this tutorial on adding products to Shopify from AliExpress. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.